Hello, Future Kids! Welcome back to Lecture 2 of our awesome AI adventure here at FutureKids VR. In our last class, we learned what AI is. Today, let's go even deeper and find out, how does AI learn new things? Let's imagine this. When you were a baby, how did you learn to walk? You fell, got up, tried again, and slowly you learned. Well, guess what? AI learns almost the same way, learning through data. AI doesn't learn from teachers like you do. Instead, it learns by looking at data, tons and tons of it. Data means information, like pictures, words, numbers, sounds, videos. Just like your brain remembers things, AI looks at all this data again and again and starts to see patterns. For example, if you show AI 10,000 pictures of cats, it learns what a cat looks like. If you show pictures of dogs too, it can tell the difference between cats and dogs. That's called training the AI, just like you train your brain. AI learning styles. Simple terms. There are three main ways AI learns. Supervised learning, like a teacher giving examples and answers. AI gets data and the correct answer to learn from. Example, this is a cat, this is not. Unsupervised learning. AI looks at data without being told what it is. It finds hidden patterns all by itself. Example, grouping similar pictures together. Reinforcement learning, like playing a video game. AI tries things, makes mistakes, and learns what gets the best score. Example, a robot learning how to walk. Let's pretend. Imagine you're teaching a robot how to recognize ice cream. First, you show it lots of ice cream photos. You also show photos of other things, like carrots or bananas. Every time the robot guesses wrong, you say, nope. When it gets it right, you say, great job. After a while, it becomes a super smart robot that can shout, that's ice cream, every time it sees one. That's AI learning. So remember, AI learns by looking at a lot of data. It practices again and again, and it needs humans to help it learn, just like you need teachers. Great work today, Future Kid! In our next class, we'll discover, can AI think like a human brain? See you in Lecture 3. Bye!